Bless you. Billy, bless you. Bless you.
Daniel, where you at? Huh?
Oh, right there.
Thank you, shit.
Bless you. I mean, thank you. Oh, he said it. Peace. All right. Bless, baby, bless.
I'm gonna see if I can buy that shit. That ass is gonna call me.
Just walk out. How about that? Just walk out. I want to walk. Ooh, Eminem. And they said, bless you. Who said it? He did. They said he did. Woo! This is the best on the show. This is the best. Oh, get him. Ah!
I can't, son. I can't. Let's let another bitch come past. I'm gonna sneeze on
You just sneezed all over the fruit.
Really?
Yeah.
I was over by that.
Oh.
Right. I didn't.
He had allergies. Yeah.
But, like all over that fruit.
Fuck, man. Let me get some Windex.
Wait, not over fruit.
Buy some Windex.
Didn't you sneeze on
Buy some Windex. Buy some Windex.
Buy some Windex? Okay. You was gonna buy fruit? You was gonna buy fruit or something?
I don't know. You guys were standing right there.
You taking a picture? You taking a picture of us?
So.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
fucking bitch,
crazy,
man.
She ain't from New York. That's
Yeah,
crazy, bro.
Bitch taking a picture
When
of
I
us.
just heard her say that, I was like, what?
We sneezed on the fruits. So what, man? I'm sorry. So what? Sneeze the fruit.
What'd you say? You took a picture?
The bitch took a picture of us.
Oh, of us or me?
She took a picture of us.
Yeah.
Why, you want to put it on America's Most Wanted or something?
Fuck out of here.
What's a bitch, man? I'm about to go back in there. Go hard, son.
Yeah.
Yeah, take
Why would you kidding me? How would you be all up in the court?